everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says goals of HGP does not include option A, identification of 22,000 to 28,000 genes in human DNA. Option B, transfer related technologies to other sectors. Option C, improve tools for data analysis. Option D, address LC that may arise from the project. So let us understand the question. It says goals of HGP does not include. So they're asking what is the goal here they have mentioned, which is not actually the goal of HGP. Okay, or which is the point which they have mentioned here, which is not a goal of HGP. First of all, what is HGP? We all know it is Human Genome Project. Human Genome Project. And this was the project which was launched in the year 1990. Okay? And the main aim was to sequence human genome. Sequence human genome. Okay? And approximately 2000 to 2500 genes. So they want to determine approximately 2000 to 2500 genes. And also they wanted to, you can say, sequence around 3 million base pairs. 3 million base pairs of the DNA. Okay, base pairs of the nucleotide sequence, you can say. Nucleotide sequence, nucleotide sequence of the DNA. Okay, so that is the main aim of HGP. But apart from that, there were so many other related. Because what is the reason for HGP? So that they can sequence and they can understand how is the genome, and if there is a mutation, how they can analyze it, how it can be further determined that this because there is a change in the sequence, that is the condition which has led to this particular disease. Okay. So the aim is to, you can say, whatever result they get, they wanted to transfer that, transfer these, transfer of, you can say, transfer of these technologies, technologies to other branches of science or other sectors. Okay, to other sectors. Mainly which sector? Mainly medical sector. Okay, medical and forensic sector, because in medical sector it is needed, right? Okay, if you know there is some change in the sequence which has led to a particular disorder, so that can be corrected by gene therapy, or there are various methods by which it can be treated. So main important method is gene therapy. And even in forensic sector, you can say, where it will be helpful for identifying the criminal. Okay, so that is again one of the aim of HGP. And also very important is to address LC. What is LC? LC is nothing but ethical, legal, and social issues. Ethical, legal, and social issues. So they have to address all these issues. So that was one of the aim of Human Genome Project. Now let us see. Option A says identification of 22,000 to 28,000 genes, which is incorrect because they had the aim of identifying 20,000 to 2,000 to 2,500 genes. Okay, but here they have given 22,000 to 28, which is incorrect. So that means this is the one which is not the goal of HGP. So this should be the correct answer. Option B is transfer related technologies to other sectors. Yes. So that was one of the aim where it will be helpful in medical as well as forensic sector. But that is not our answer because we are looking for the one which was not the aim. Option C says improve tools for data analysis. Yes, that was also the aim of Human Genome Project. That how better how the tools can be improved better and better, so as to analyze these things and understand the sequence, and easily they can sequence each and every chromosome of a particular person or an organism. So this also was an aim of HGP, but that is not an answer. Option B says address LC. That also I've said that they wanted to address the ethical, legal, and social issues regarding this particular project, because to analyze, or if you say to sequence the DNA. Of course, you need the DNA. For getting the DNA, what do you need? You need the cells. And from where do you get the cells? Okay, of course, by from you can say living organism. Okay, so taking cells from living organisms and taking out the genes from that and then sequencing, it is considered to be acting like God. So people cannot act like God. That is the mentality of certain people, and to address that also, these people have taken steps. So this is also was one of the aim of HGP, but this is not an answer because the question says goals of HGB which does not include. So it does not include identification of 22,000 genes to 28,000 genes. That is option A. Okay, so that was not the aim of HGB. So I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.